Hey Siri, how not to miss any future iCamron videos?
Just go ahead and click on the bell button to be notified. Enjoy.
So day number 2 of buying Tezos every day for a year. And so if you guys aren't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there and turn on that bell notification there to get notifications of when I upload. So today we see Tezos price jumped from yesterday when I bought it, $3.23. Today it is $3.49. So it almost jumped, about 20 cents, 25 cents. That's pretty good for just one day of, holding some cryptocurrency. And so today I'm gonna go ahead and go to portfolio on my Coinbase app and then go to Tezos again. And you can see I have a couple dollars extra from yesterday. So that's pretty good. And of course, I just want to trade it again. I want to buy XTZ with cash. This will be a one-time purchase again, $2 with my USD balance. Preview buy, and it's going to send the XTZ price to $3.51 and the Coinbase fee of 99 cents again. I'm going to hit buy now. And it says the exchange rate updated again. That happens all the time. Do preview buy again, and the XTZ price is now that. Successfully purchased 0.29 XTZ. So that is what I did for today. Of course, if you guys did like this video, leave a comment down below. Do you guys buy Tezos as well? I know you guys have been giving me good feedback on the first video. I want to continue that and grow this channel even more. I want to have more engagement and more cryptocurrency talk. See you tomorrow at 6 a.m. Later, fam.